Right, so about Mr. Chandler in 3B, the nurse flagged some concerns overnight about his pain.
Yes, Mihira, I saw that. He's been on paracetamol and codeine since the knee procedure, but he said it's not touching the pain anymore.
It's important not to confuse that with the patient in 3A. Remember, she's post-hip repair, also on codeine, but her issue is more about nausea.
Right, yes, different concerns. With Chandler, he did say the discomfort radiates down his calf now. I was wondering if we need to check for DVT, or whether it's just post-op inflammation.
That crossed my mind too, but he's afebrile, and the leg isn't swollen. I suspect it's muscular tension from overuse. He was quite mobile yesterday.
So should we adjust the analgesia or keep monitoring?
Increase the codeine dose slightly for now. Let's not jump to opioids unless absolutely necessary. We'll review after physio tomorrow.
Understood, Mihira. And we'll hold off on extra imaging unless new symptoms emerge.
Exactly. Keep the line open with physio as well.
It is understandable to feel a sense of uncertainty when facing changes in health. But MIHIRA, please know that every measure being put in place is designed to wrap a layer of comfort and security around you. One of the most important ways we ensure this is through the just-in-case medication pack. Think of this as a specialized safety net kept right in your home, containing gentle but effective medicines tailored to address symptoms the moment they arise. Instead of waiting for a pharmacy delivery or a doctor's visit during a difficult moment, these treatments for pain, breathlessness, nausea, or noisy chest secretions are already within reach. Having them tucked away safely means that if any discomfort begins, it can be eased immediately, allowing you to remain relaxed and supported in your own familiar surroundings. You are never walking this path alone. MIHIRA, as a dedicated network of professional care, is always standing by to assist. A 24-hour palliative care helpline is available at any second of the day or night, ensuring that expert advice and a calming voice are only a phone call away. Furthermore, the district nursing team will be providing frequent, scheduled visits to check on your well-being and manage your care with the utmost tenderness. This combined circle of support, the physical medications and the constant availability of skilled clinicians, is here to provide peace of mind, ensuring your needs are met with dignity, speed, and deep compassion.